Hey guys, what's up? It is challenge time, and today's challenge, it's about testing out the strength of these toys. These toys are known for being strong. So we've got things like a monster truck, and we've got a leather cricket ball that is strong. Obsidian Block from Minecraft, which is like really strong, apparently. We've got Superman, he's known for being strong, right? Let's test it out. In this challenge, we are going to be putting their strength to the test in what I like to call the Pressinator. These toys are gonna get pressed until they break. We're gonna see which ones are strong, which toy shows integrity. Because you know integrity is all about being strong, right? Testing out the strength. Let's do it. This is an Obsidian Block. We're gonna test it out. Is it actually that hard? Okay, here we go. Ugh, strong muscles, Lydia, strong. Oh, did you see that? It's still going. Oh, did you see that? That Obsidian Block is obsidian into a million pieces. It is gone. Well, actually, this was just the Lego one, but let's do more. Cricket balls are hard. They're like bricks, but not bricks. Let's see if we can get this one to the boundary. Stay. I'm hiding. I'm getting out of the way. Whoa! It's like a squashed tomato. Look how strong it is. That this pipe thingy is gone crooked. It's like so squished. My arm won't let me go anymore. It's so crazy. It was so round before. Now it's just like it isn't even. You can't even. Moving on to the next thing. Gobstoppers! Those delicious things you put in your mouth and don't break your teeth with them because they are actually so, like how do you even fit this in your mouth? And this is like a little egg that I found that is really, really cool. And we're gonna try and see how strong they are. What color do you think is gonna be in the middle? I think it might be like, my guess is blue because I love the color blue. Here we go. Check out these like rainbow pieces. There's rainbow inside the Gobstopper. Okay, let's crush an egg. Here we go. Well, that was kind of sucky. Monster trucks. Backflip. It's shaking in fear already. Ooh, good suspension so far on the wheels. He's now a trike. It's a trike now. Oh, I think I've reached as far as it's gonna go. It looks like a sandwich now. It lost one wheel and it looks like a sandwich. Honestly though, I don't think it's gonna pass the warrant. Yo-yo. It is like your classic childhood toy. It's just unbreakable. It looked cool, but it proved that it was not strong. What is this? It was not strong. That's okay. We're moving on up in the world. Here we go. Superman. Dun, 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 dun. He's pretty strong. He can fly. He can lift stuff. He's basically like a human robot, I would say, but like a person. So not a robot. Oh, his legs are going sideways. He's just showing us how we can do the splits. He's in one piece. He really is super strong. But I really want to see him. I really want to see him just like get crushed. See if you can bench press this, buddy. Take cover, take cover. And that is as far as we can go. We might be able to resuscitate him. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Surely this can just get, he's Superman, he can't break. 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Look, I'm not a doctor, but I'm sure this will all be fine, you know, it's fine. Who's next? Have you ever wanted to have your own personal safe? There's nothing in there, but we're gonna squash it and see if this safe really is safe. Woohoo! If you want to know how safe it is, it's this safe. I had so much fun and I learned a few things. Some of these toys are very strong. The cricket ball, it kind of just squashed a little bit and now it's like a little weird like deformed tomato. But apart from that, it proved to be super strong. It showed heaps of integrity. Whereas Superman, who is no longer super, he was pretty strong the first time, but the second time around he was not strong. Same thing, it's okay, everything's gonna be okay. This whole challenge though, it kind of reminds me of what we want our friendships to look like, because we want to have strong friendships, right? We don't want to crumble under the pressure and be a bad friend. So how do we be a good friend? How do we have strong friendships? Well, it's super important to show integrity. Just like some of these strong toys did, we want to show integrity by doing the right thing. I want to have strong friendships, so I'm going to be doing my best to show integrity. I hope you do too. This was a super fun challenge. I will see you guys next time when I see you. Yeah. Peace.